Okay, pet parents, listen up. I was kindly gifted these washing machine cleaner tablets, and they've completely changed the way I do laundry. I'm a pet sitter, so washing all the dog blankets, the beds, and the sheets in my house used to feel impossible with all the dog hair that's going everywhere and the funky smells lingering in my washer. Well, these tablets are packed with oxygen-releasing fizz to tackle soap and mineral buildup, plus enzymes, lavender, and tea extracts to fight that pet grime and odor. My washer actually smells fresh now, and it's completely free from harsh chemicals. These tablets work in all washers, HE, top load, front load, you name it. You get 24 tablets, which is a full year's supply. The tablets dissolve slowly for a steady clean, scrubbing drums, seals, and gaskets, so my washer smells fresh without just masking odors. I notice a difference right after the first cycle, and honestly, it makes doing laundry with all these pet blankets way less stressful. After using these, the difference is obvious. My laundry smells amazing, the washer stays fresh, and I feel so much better knowing that my dog's bedding is coming out clean every time. So if you deal with pet hair and odors like I do, then you definitely need these in your life, and I highly recommend giving them a try.